Many people suffer from being overweight and do not know how to set extra pounds. As a result, they end up losing hope and taking comfort in eating more fatty or sugary foods. But being overweight is not inevitable. With a little effort and a good dose of motivation, even the most stubborn fat can be eliminated. Often, belly fat is the one that causes the most complexity. Indeed, a big and bulgy belly when sitting can be a source of discomfort. In addition, these people with belly fat seek to wear loose clothing to hide it, but this trick is only temporary. When taking off their clothes, the extra fat is still there, immediately making them self-deprecating. You need to understand that eating habits have a great influence on your body shape. There are certain foods that are found to be effective in combating fat accumulation. In this sense, this is a drink that helps lose belly fat in 5 days, as it is made from foods with powerful fat-burning properties. The first ingredient is lemon. Lemons are rich in citric acid, so when you take lemon juice, you introduce healthy natural digestive aid into your stomach. The citric acid will end up interacting with the other acids and enzymes in your digestive tract, which results in a healthy digestion. Lemon juice also aids bioproduction in the stomach, which is essential for breaking down fats. Now, prepare 2 lemons and cut them in half. Next, prepare 2.5 liters of water and squeeze lemon juice into the water. You should also note that lemon is not recommended for people who suffer from stomach ulcer or have a citrus allergy. The next ingredient of this fat-burning recipe is oranges. Oranges are one of the best sources of vitamin C, which not only boosts immunity but also fill the gap of nutrition that your body needs, like potassium, minerals, folate, and fiber. Plus, orange juice is incredibly low in calories and has 0 fat, which makes it an excellent option to set belly fat. Now, prepare 2 oranges and cut them in half or quarter. If you don't have an orange squeezer and you are extracting the juice by hand, cut the orange into 4 pieces. It is much easier to squeeze the smaller pieces and thus yield more juice than a larger piece. After cutting, squeeze orange juice into the container of water. If it is necessary to use pulp-free juice, do this through a strainer to separate any pulp that may have gotten into the juice. Next, prepare 1 piece of fresh ginger and grate it until you get 3 teaspoons of grated ginger. Ginger is a very good source of manganese, helping facilitate metabolic processes. In addition, scientific experiments indicate that regular consumption of ginger causes weight loss as well as improves blood sugar levels. Note that Ginger is contraindicated in pregnant women, weak people, or those with a blood disease. After wetting, pour wetted ginger into the container. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and stir well. This ingredient contains acetic acid, polyphenols, and pectin, which helps to increase satiety. In addition to rolling as an undeniable appetite suppressant, apple cider vinegar has been proven to reduce the waist size of overweight people and combat belly fat. Drink it throughout the day for 5 days. During this time, the diet must be balanced and must not include any industrial product, neither fat nor sugar. After that, rest for 3 days and then repeat the process.